Hi, this is Soma with Savitor Botanicals, and I'm in the kitchen talking to you about clove oil, a fabulous oil to use in the warm wintry time of year. Maybe you're watching this in the middle of the summer. Maybe you're watching this in the fall. I love to use clove in the fall, and as we get into the holiday season, it does have that festive scent. But if you're using it for muscle, joint, tissue pain, it can help with the reduction of inflammation. Clove oil is also known to be used internally with gum and toothpaste, but remember that you only want to use clove oil that's been steam distilled, not a CO2 extracted oil if you're going to use it internally. If you're using it externally, it doesn't really matter either way. The CO2 can have a little bit more punch to it, and that might be good or not so good, depending upon what you're looking for. Putting in the diffuser, which is fantastically interesting, you really won't tell the difference between whether it's steam distilled or CO2, even though they smell different in the bottle. Once they go into the diffuser, they tend to smell the same. You can use a calming belly blend with clove. Once again, this time of year, from Halloween to Thanksgiving to the holidays through New Year's, we can often spend time eating things that are rich and nourishing, but also that can be too rich and too fatty or too sweet and can make the belly reactive. So you can use clove oil, peppermint, orange oil, and they're fantastic digestives. Cardamom is a good one as well. Neroli is a good one also. Let me know what ideas you would like to hear about, what time of year, what products. You could take a fantastic room spray, and that can also calm down digestive issues. And you could use a peppermint hydrosol and add in a drop or two of clove and 3 drops of orange oil. And then if you did that and sprayed it around, not only does it lighten up and give a warm glow, refreshing scent, it will also help as a digestive aid for anybody who might be feeling a little sick. Or, as you know, my father used to say, the unzip and bulge, allowing you to go back to the table and eat one more piece of pie. All right, enjoy. I love to support your questions. Put them in the box below. Send us a personal email. Thanks for supporting Savvy Tour Botanicals.